Is acceptance a surrender? Or if not, then what is the difference?
Now, acceptance becomes surrender or do not become surrender, that I think that will depend on situations and on people who are in the process of acceptance. But surrender is an ultimate stage of acceptance. Surrender is, now this is like if I can quote the example from Mahabharata, Draupadi was brought into the court. All her 5 husbands, they lost one by one. The Yudhishthira lost himself, and then all his four brothers, and then he lost Draupadi. So at that stage, Draupadi was brought in, and they were trying to disrupt her, and which was very painful for any woman, right, to be in that situation. So first of all, she tried to fight. She tried to provoke the masculinity of her husbands, and telling them, are you not man enough to protect your women and all those things. Then she tried going to the elders. She went to the Bhisham and Dhritarashtra and all of them. Maybe then she thought, if that is not working, maybe that can work, as a part of your culture, as part of your elder, you need to protect me. That also didn't work. Then she tried to ask for mercy from Durshasana and said, oh, leave me, I'm the queen and you can't do this to me. That also didn't work. And then what she did, she tried to protect herself by holding on to her sari. Still no help came. And at that stage, when she surrendered, if you look at any of the picture of Draupadi, where she's in such situation, you will see her hands are like this. She's not holding on to the sari.
Yes.
When she's not holding on to the sari, her hands are folded. She's looking upward. She's looking at Krishna. She's waiting for Krishna to come and help. Now that is a true stage of surrender, where you know that truly you think you are doing a lot of things. You think you are the one who creating your life. You think you are making things happen in your life. In that stage, surrender is out of question. But a stage comes wherein you realize that, though yes, I am doing few things, but the result, the consequence which is happening, there are a lot of other factors which are involved. And I'm too small for that. There is a point which comes with the wisdom where you know that you are just a medium. Things are happening through you. Now that's the stage of surrender.